Hello, good morning, welcome back to Itsemgeee. It's me, Emily, and I am picking up the camera today because me and Hannah are flying to Amsterdam for a few days. Just because we wanted to, and we've got some cheap deals. Yeah, so also if you haven't, I'm going to stand up properly. If you haven't seen me before, hello, welcome. Subscribe if you're new. Travel, Disney content always comes. But yeah, let's go. It is, oh, it's 11:58, it's just good morning. And we've got a later flight today because we'd rather travel later to get the full days in rather than like a couple of half days and then fly home. Yeah, so let's go. It is time to shut the suitcase. We're gonna put an air tag in because you never know. And we're off. Don't know how I feel about vlogging in the home. Let's do it on the DL. Oh, there's somebody coming. Oh. We've arrived at the train station. It is busy. Why is it so busy on a Sunday? Oh, I saw you a nice view, but it's a bit dirty. We have arrived in Newcastle, the metro, the train station. That train felt long, quite longer than normal, but it's an hour and a half. But now we've got to get the metro to the airport, which is like half an hour. This is fun! So we're going to go to Nando's and then head to the train station. Well, airport, we don't have time, so we've got to get the train there. Come on! Right, touch here. Oh, okay. Adult? Single? Bye. That's no problem. We've made it to the metro. If you do want to go from the train station to the metro in Newcastle, no?
From the train station to the airport.
Take the metro. You'll see signs go down. Platform 2, £4.50 for a single. Oh no, oh, just dropped me. I've just dropped it.
You won't be able to get out the other end.
Oops. We have arrived and bag has been dropped. Let's go through security. Through security we have, I think we took that. Yeah, through security. It generally took
5 minutes.
5 minutes, like not even 5 minutes. It took longer to walk through it. Like
It did to get through security.
So we're hungry, so we ran through duty free and stopped in the first one we see, which is bar 11. So let's have a little look at the menu. Oh god, hello. The menu. They've got some burgers, that's nice. Starter share and sandwiches.
It's just football today, it's been a rough hell.
Oh, Hannah's no sorry, please, thank you.
Sorry.
The loaded fried chicken bowl, that looks good. I think that's, oh, that's chicken and bacon Caesar salad, that also looks good. Classics. Let's have a Deeks. What else? I think I might get the lasagna. Oh, dessert, that's nice. So I'm either gonna go for oh, the cauliflower. The purple chicken skewers. That sounds nice. Or the loaded fried chicken roll.
And I was going to get skewers, or I really want some coleslaw.
I do want some chips, and you wouldn't do.
Should we share some chips, or? Yeah, you don't get chips with the sandwich, do you?
You don't get the chips with the chicken ball.
What's the chicken ball? Oh well, that's what I'm going to get potato skewers, I think. Not long.
It has arrived. Hannah says it's not that long. Oh. But it's food. We're hungry. Food. Oh, food has finished. It was nice. Oh, we need some adapters. The Euro ones. Oh, forgot an adapter. That's fun.
Well,
I was saying, food's nice. Had better, but I need some. I broke my sunglasses. So I'm just gonna have a browse of the Ray-Ban ones. Hannah says, can you put them back on? No. She didn't put them on. Do you want to go?
Hexagons quite.
These
I like them. I do like them.
I do like those. They're lovely.
They're the ones that I've got, aren't they?
Oh, what about those ones?
I like them hexagons. I think they've got a nice, yeah. You can see your eyes in them. I
don't like it.
I think they're like mine.
Oh,
as in I've got the round ones, but
yeah.
with that fade on.
But
them ones, they might be mine.
Are these are mine.
I've got mine in my bag, to be fair.
So these are the ones that I broke when we were in California. These look smaller, so I quite like the hexagon ones because they are bigger.
And let's see what I've got.
We'll be back to you. The pair I chose today for these ones. Love them. Even more than my other ones actually. Because I did like them. These ones are good. And the gold, which suits my face. You can actually, yes, when you're listening back. You can, yeah. But yeah, these are the ones. Kind of excited to wear them in the jam. It's time to go to get 26. Let's go. I can't with me even. Oh no. Oh, it does, yeah. Lovely. Have arrived. The bag's been picked up. We are waiting for the Eve. Oh, I can track him. See where he is.
You haven't got the internet.
Oh. Yeah, maybe move. Because it's moved us. We'll see. So, we're here. Oh, God. Oh no, can you get up the stairs?
Yes.
Oh no. No. We have arrived in the hotel room. So, to kick off this part, we'll do a nice little room tour. So, the door. So we come in the door. Wait, hang on, spin you around. Oh hello Hannah. We look to the left, we've got some tea making facilities, that's lovely. English breakfast, lovely. We bought some waters. This is the wardrobe. Don't even have a door. Oh, we do have a safe though, that's nice. Not that we need that. Oh god, what's in this cupboard here? A fridge, lovely. I really like this bedside table for me, yeah. One second, we've got this lovely mural bed, obviously. To the right is the bathroom. Let's go in. We've got a naked woman across. The toilet. Actually, that's a quite good sized shower though.
Oh no, we've got a flickery light.
Where?
Look behind you.
Oh, well, we'll knock off at 5. In the mirror, hello. We come back out the toilet. And we have this nice, really nice seating area, this nice bench, free water. And then we've been told it's all like basically on your mobile. Scan a QR code. See chat reception, that's when you request room service to come every day.
Room service.
Not room service, what do you call it?
I can't think what it's called.
Cleaning service. Clean up services, whatever you call it. What? Yeah, whatever. As I say, free refreshments. Yeah, oh, what's, oh, it's like a fold out thing. Hang on.
Oh, what's in it?
Can you fold that out, please, Hannah?
That's fancy, isn't it? Oh, Emily, you're asking, it's a map.
Oh, it's a map.
That was really loud.
I'm thoroughly oh, you've ripped it. Okay.
Oh, but it was stuck together.
Look what's, oh, that's cute, yeah. Also, we're on the bottom floor, so we're basically on the street.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get...
Oh, we're not, it's like a little one.
Like a little lamp. I'll show you. Look. So that's like the... Oh, all you can see is me.
Sure, the bloody windows are locked. Or you could just step out of that, could you?
Yeah, actually, look. No, it's a bit...
It's a floor length.
Yeah, it's a bit low. But yeah, basically... What is that? It's like a red... Oh, it's like a thing. Oh, it's Toomey up there. Nice. The shop. Oh, there's like I'm going to opposite the Aston Martin shop.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, look.
Oh, nice.
Oh, there's a nice blue one there and a nice red one there. Oh, and another nice red one. No.
It's quiet around it.
Well, Hannah is getting sorted for bed. Alright, I'm just gonna scan the QR code to see what happens. Oh, hello Emily. Hello. Got the hotel. It's not gonna be an issue. Oh, you can rent a hotel bike. We've got a nice coffee shop that looks good in here. Main facilities. Coffee and tea. No milk though. I literally to request cleaning service. You go on it and it just and you go on and it just clicks and you got to click it before 10 AM. But you know, I think we'll be alright. Maybe we'll do it not tomorrow because we just arrived. Maybe Tuesday, but then we'll check out Wednesday. We might be okay. It's 10 to 12. So, I think that's it. That is me done. I am tired. Yeah, that's end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, please like, comment, subscribe, do all the things, and I'll see you next week. Bye.